We are going to do a video on how to use the knapsack to fumigate, and then how to actually use mix your chemicals. This is a short tutorial, so please pay attention. It's very important. Now, if you want to do a fumigation, a pest control for every other insects, including mosquitoes, cockroach, spiders, scorpions, and probably general insects, what we'll do is we mix a combination of 3 chemicals. We use detamethrin, cypermethrin, and probably one of the diclovers. Now there are different brands for this. Get it clear. This is a brand of cypermethrin. This is an alpha action with 10% EC. Please come closer. You can see that this is 10% EC emulsifiable concentrate. This is a cypermethrin brand. We're going to be using this, and this is a no pest. This is actually no pest. It's a diclovers. It belongs to the family of the DVP. We're going to use these two chemicals for the purpose of what I want to do here right now. You can also include detamethrin. There are different brands of it. Now the mixing ratio is 2 parts of cypermethrin to 1 part of DDVP. So here we go. Let's do a short tutorial. We're going to actually improvise here. We use our minds. Normally, remember I said 2 parts of this, 1 part of this. So let's just do a short tutorial. This is just a few of the cypermethrin chemical, and this is the diclovers that we'll add in just a little to compensate for that. Remember, this is just for a smaller part of water that we actually use. And then add our water. And when you add water, you should have this kind of mixture. Come closer, please. Come closer. You should have this kind of mixture. You can see the color. Can you see the color? It's white. You should have the liquid, the white liquid inside. Then you cover your knapsack, and then you pack. Remember that when you're doing pest control, that safety is very important. So you always have your safety tools. We advise, if you have your jacket, you put on your jacket, your face mask, and your helmet. Make sure everything is complete. But this is just a minor tutorial that I'm doing for you, so I hope you just pick up this and be able to pick it up from here. So let me pack my knapsack. Now I'm treating this place. I want to treat the top of this place now for snake control. We actually saw a snake here, so I was called upon to treat. So, and you see what I'm doing? I'm pumping this, and this is the control. This is where you press down and the chemical comes out. This is your control. If you press it down, it comes out. If you leave it, it stays. So there is what we do. Spray everywhere you need to spray. Come down. The holes like these are very important that we take care of holes like this, because most times rodents live into these holes. tell you to make sure you take care of the environment, not all the place. So that's it. Hope you understand what we just did. This is actually a fumigation that we just did for outside fumigation, not the indoor type. The indoor type is basically the same thing. You spray on walls, the edges, the back of your kitchen cabinet. Make sure you cover all your foodstuffs while spraying. Then you vacate the place for a minimum of 5 hours. That's if you're using your knapsack sprayer. There are other methods too. There are those that use the fogging machine that brings out smoke. Normally, we advise people don't use that. Use that only when you're doing warehouses, large places that are very enclosed. But for homes, the spray method is actually better because it lasts longer. It has a longer effect to stay on walls. Like these chemicals that are sprayed on these places now, they have the tendency to stay here for the next 30 days. Even after being dried, they can stay. They have residual effects. They can still be effective. So we advise people to do that. Then this is actually how you use your knapsack sprayer. You can also use it with your weed killer. You can pour in your weed killer in the same ratio we pour in the chemical. You can order your weed killer from me. You can contact me to do your pest control for you on 080-731-22596. This is just a little tutorial. We don't handle larger places, skyscrapers and stuff like that. But we can supply your chemical. We have our own chemical mixture, no fumigation chemical for those who want to use. Then I will take you on another lesson, another tutorial on how to use your rat vanisher, how to take care of rats. In the meantime, let's meet next time. Cheers.